So I've had a couple people ask me, since you use your legs for so much body control, how do you tell a horse to go faster? And that's what I'm going to talk about. You see me using my spurs a lot on her here, and I'm asking her to pick her back up. Right here, I'll use my right spur to go this way. She needs to steer off of my legs. Now I'll use my left spur to go this way. Kind of pushed into that one. I'll keep going. So how do I tell her to go faster? Now right there, I kicked with my spurs to punish her because she slowed down. You can interpret that as kick to go forward, but that's not really what that was. The kick was to reprimand because she slowed down on her own. So if I want this horse to go faster, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my voice. Same thing there. Kick because she slowed down on her own. I'm going to use my voice, and I'm going to ride faster. So I usually use a tick, and I ride faster. I got more speed there. I never bump with my spurs. Now I can. She's dropping her back. I bump twice, and then I'm riding. She's hauling her back out. I bump again, and I'm riding. Good girl. She's slowing down. I didn't ask him to bump. I didn't ask for a stop. Good girl. It's all mental, especially with young horses. It's all mental. It's like working with a young child, like a toddler, throwing little temper tantrums, wanting something, wanting a piece of candy, or not wanting something, wanting to do their own thing, basically. It's basically what I'm working with here. She knows what to do. In the South here, we're big about teaching our kids to say yes ma'am or no ma'am and yes sir and no sir. Well, I want this horse, when I ask for something, I want her to say yes sir and go do that. None of this or in a little bit. I want her to say yes sir and we go do it right now. Let's ask for work with the speed a little bit more. I work with the stop. My stop's pretty decent now, but let's work with speed. I know she don't want to work very hard. She wants to be a little lazy. So what I'm going to do, all right, now I didn't say stop. I'm going to punish her with my spurs. I did not say stop. I did not say the word. I did not stop riding with my body. It's real important that you keep riding with your body. You can't just sit here and expect the horse to understand what you want. It's like dancing. You have to dance with your dancing partner. I'm riding her, and I expect her to keep walking because my body is moving. I shouldn't have to keep kicking on her to make her keep going. And the kicking there is not go faster. The kicking is, I did not tell you to slow down. I did not tell you to stop. See, since she's trying to stop, we're going to go back forward again. Notice I stay real long with the reins. If I'm steering, I steer, and I get long again. Give it release. I am touching her with my spurs, but that's all about the shoulders. Right here, she kind of fell to the right a little bit. I push with my right leg. I don't want her shoulders falling to do the steering. A little bit of left leg. Let's steer back this way. Left leg. And let's go faster. Good girl. Now, if she slows down, I'll bump her with my spurs. Tell her that is not what I asked for. Okay, now to get a slower trot, I will ride a little slower. Good girl. Whoa. Good girl. With lags does not mean go forward. Lags can be a reprimand for slowing down. Lags can be steering the body, controlling the body. It's your seat and your rhythm is what you want to control that horse's speed. You ride faster, go faster, ride slower to go slower. It's like dancing. Dance with your partner, stay in step. If you want to see more about lag and rein control, I'll put a link up top here. Until next time, thank you for watching.